In this video, I'm going to show you how to import TraderSync's data in FundedNext. So if you're using TraderSync to track your trades and want to integrate with FundedNext for better analysis, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process. So let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the official website of TraderSync. And now click the plus button, which is the add trades on the left side, and then you will see here the import trades. But make sure you have a file from FundedNext account. So as you can see in here, I don't have yet a FundedNext account. So assumingly we have and gathered a data from the FundedNext. So make sure on the import from a file, you import or upload trades from a FundedNext. Make sure it is on the CSV file format, and then ensure that the columns match correctly with FundedNext format. And if needed, make manually adjustment to align trade data properly. And then after that, before finalizing, double check your imported trades and then look for any missing or incorrect entries and make necessary adjustments. And then after that, click the import trades, and that's it. That's how you import TraderSync data into FundedNext. Although I can show you directly the process, I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.